from .appx to .zip. Go ahead and set the password for your super user for Ubuntu operating system. You have successfully installed the Ubuntu operating system. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Linux subsystem on your Windows machine. If you are interested to know how you can enable Linux subsystem on your Windows machine, then you can check out my another video whose link is available in the description. So let's start. The first step is to download Linux distribution file on your designated file path from Microsoft official website. I will provide link in the description. I have downloaded Ubuntu 20.04 for this video. In the next step, rename the downloaded Linux distribution from .appx to .zip. Ignore the rename warning and click yes. Now extract the content of Linux distribution and you will be able to see Linux distribution files. To install Linux distribution on your Windows machine, open command prompt as administrator from start menu. Using command prompt, change location of the directory where you have extracted the content of Ubuntu operating system as shown on the screen. After that, simply call the command as shown on the screen so that the installation of your Ubuntu Linux distribution begins. During the installation of your Ubuntu operating system, you will be prompted to set the password for your super user. So go ahead and set the password for your super user for Ubuntu operating system. Wait few minutes for the installation to be completed, and now you have successfully installed the Ubuntu operating system on your Windows machine using Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now go to the location where you have originally extracted the Ubuntu Linux distribution system. You will notice that some additional files and folder has been added into this folder after the installation. So the key folder here is rootfs, where all the things related to your Ubuntu operating system will be available. So you will be frequently accessing this folder while you are working on your Ubuntu operating system. Know that with the feature of Linux subsystem on Windows, you can only access Ubuntu operating system using command prompt. There is no user interface available for the Ubuntu operating system through Windows Subsystem for Linux feature. So in order to open your Ubuntu operating system in command prompt on Windows operating system, you are required to repeatedly use the set of commands as shown on the screen, but this time instead of installation which has already been completed, the Ubuntu operating system command prompt will be opened. I highly recommend to create a batch file for these set of commands. To create a batch file, open a text editor. Paste these set of commands into your text editor. Then save this text file as .bat and make sure that the save as type is selected as all types. Now you can see that the batch file has been created, and if every time you want to open your Ubuntu command interface, simply right click on this batch file and open it as administrator, and your Ubuntu operating system command interface will be opened. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.